Okay, so hello everyone, and here I am with another video. In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating you how I can create this uh, material design using Inkscape. So let's get started. So here is I've made an example for you. We'll be making this. So let's delete this, and I'm going to make a okay. I'm going to make this rectangle. Make sure you have a custom selected in the view and zoom 100%. So I'll just grab this pencil tool and smoothness 50% and LP base interactive simplify. Uh, Make sure you have this turned on. Now click to this, snap to this path like right here, and just create a wavy line like this. Okay, I will create a few more strokes. You don't have to be some precise about it. Okay, so now I will click on this. I will duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and Shift. Click on this rectangle with path and division. This will make a division of this part. Okay, so I'll just undo this, and again I will do the same with these strokes also. I will click on the stroke, duplicate it, press Shift and click on this, go to path and division. Again, Ctrl plus D, press Shift, select this rectangle and division. Okay, so we have these stencils, this one and this one. Okay, so I will just delete this. I will delete this and I will delete this. I will click on this layer and I will choose the light shade. Okay, this good. Wait a minute, I will just take this and I will make it a lighter shade. Like this, and I will take this and I will make it a light like this. Okay, this is good. Now I will just take this and I will move it one layer up. Take this, I will just okay. I want this layer going above the pink layer, and this layer moving above these two layers. It will work in ascending order. Again, I will make this dark layer moving above these layers like this. Okay, I will place it right here. Don't worry, you have edges coming out of the rectangle form. We will just simplify it later. So click on this and duplicate this. Make it of red color. I will make it black color, and move this layer just below this one right here, and we will just give it a blur, a 3% blur. I will just select this. I will just select this and press 3. Okay, like this. Same I will do with this one. Duplicate this and move 1, 2 times like this, and I will make it 3% blur. Okay, again duplicate this, make it black, and one layer down, 3, like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I will make a rectangle and like this. I will duplicate this and I'm going to path intersection. Again duplicate this, click on this black blur object, intersection. Same I will do with the other ones. Control plus D. You can use shift plus star. It's a shortcut key to make it work faster. Shift plus star. Okay. Okay, like this. I will just delete this and let me make this 3%. Okay. Okay. So we are ready to go. So now I will take this. I will rotate it, and you can give any shape to it. I will take a square, sorry, circle. I will take dropper tool and I will just make this color. I will place it right here and move this one surface below. I will duplicate this and move this another surface below and give it a blur like this. Okay, so in this way you can add object to it like this. I will just decrease the size and I will group it into one object. So in this way you can create this material design using Inkscape. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your questions and anything about this tutorial in the comment section. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and see ya.